Latest no transfer news amathima amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizoqala ngeindaba nje ngomdlali obekade edlalela iMamelodi Sundowns obese yi-free agent because he was recently released by iMamelodi Sundowns. Indaba ke ziphuma nje umjida ke usayinwe the former coach yayo iMamelodi Sundowns okubani na okumanqoba Mnqithi lo secoacha iYoung Africans right now. Kuboya ngawuthi ke umanqoba Mnqithi uyena oyiwinile le signing. uRulani ke uhlulekile ukuthi ke ayiwine i-signing yakhe for his new team iPyramids FC. Remember uRulani bemfuna ubani na uShalulile kanye benonobani na benombabasa lo bekade edlalela Orlando Pirates. Naku ke uShasha esekhetha inina esekhetha yona iYoung Africans. Buye ngawuthi ke iYoung Africans im-offereshe imali enkudlwana kunale yePyramids. Naku ke umjida esejoyina iYoung Africans okuyinto enhle kakhulu bafethu. Sathanda ukulibona ibhola yabo lidominate abadlali abade bedlala kuyona iBetway Premiership. Lento le isho ukuthini na ukusho ukuthi ke amateam amaningi ase-Europe mebheka labadlali laba azobona ukuthi ke umthombo wethalente ule kuBetway Premiership. Even the coaches abacoachayo abasabaleli Africa yonke baqhamuka khona la kuBetway Premiership okuyinto enhle kakhulu le. Siyambongela ke uShasha useyitholile enye iclub okuyiYoung Africans lethu bazokwazi ke basebenzisane naye ucoach abekade emcoacha kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns okumanqoba Mnqithi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu the former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder okunjabulo Blom, unjabulo Blom ke usekuthole iclub entsha yale eIndonesia. Le club le bafethu ke ibizwa ngeClub Bono. Njani imbona ke labafethu umjida ube announcewa namhlanje. Babama announceile ke as their new midfielder. Umjida ke bafethu ke unenhlala kakhulu ukuthi ke athole lama club angaphandle kwala eSouth Africa. Yabo because I remember umjida after he left Kaizer Chiefs wayale ku MLS wasuka ku MLS base ke bemloana back kuyona iKaizer Chiefs wasuka kuKaizer Chiefs wayale futhi eAsia eyodlala nobani na no Percy Tau. Yabo so umjida vele unenhlanhla ukuthola lama club lawa angaphandle kwase South Africa. But ke let's hope this time umjida ke uzothola igame time aqhubeke adlale kahle. Ngimfisela nje ukuhle kakhulu unjabulo Blom. Unebhathi lokuthi ke akajwayele ukuhlala kakhulu mefile kuyona iclub. Wacishe wasayinwa yona iSteelers but ke umjida akaculisekanga with the contracts that was offered by yona iSteelers. Personal terms awabanga right. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu i-defender lebafana bafana kuthiwa ke i-defender lebafana bafana okuba na Olwethu Makhanya. Olwethu Makhanya the former Steelers defender umjida kuthiwa ke uzosayinwa iclub yale eScotland okuyiRangers. iRangers kuthiwa ke izokhipha imali engango 75 million rands ukuthi ke imsayine lomjida lo. Kuthiwa ke iPhiladelphia Union ifakile i-release clause ukuthi ke njengoba umjida ezodayiswa nje uma kwenzeka iRangers imdayisa futhi ke kube khona imali ezobuyela kubona. Ngiyayithanda ke leyo nto le. I so wish amateam amaningi la kuBetway Premiership angayi-adopta leyo nto le ukuthi ke kube khona i-release clause. If umdlali edayiswa kube khona i-percent le mali enilitholayo as i-parent club. Kodwa ke siyayazi phela ukuthi ke i-parent club bekuyiSteelers. Yabo singesazi ke mhlambe ke akhona ama contracts asayinwa from iSteelers. Mhlambe ke naso iSteelers sinayo yabo lempahla le i-release clause. Not i-release clause njalo ke i-sell-on clause le ukuthi ke umdlali umedayiswa kube khona i-percent. Lo badlali khona bani na kukhona uThato Mohlame, kube khona uThulani Zamandela, uThulani Zandamela. Yes, uThulani Zandamela ngixolise nje kakhulu. Kube uThabangi Sinyi, kube uThokozani Lukhele, uPrince Manku, kube umlungisi Sikhakhane, kube uPatrick Motsweneng, kube uKhomotso Maribane, kube uSamkelo Sihlali, Thabiso Mkhwanazi, Onamela Lepalasana. Ngixolise nje kakhulu uma ke ngingalibizanga igama. Yabo kube uLebogang Batin. Yabo lamagama ke ngingawabizi kahle but ke ningixolele bakwethu. Ibona ke abajida abazodlalela eMaromo Gallants njengoba nje izoqala nje isizini. But ke iMaromo Gallants ayigcinanga nje lapho iphinde futhi ke ya-announce ijezi layo elisha namhlanje ezodlala ngalo kwiBetway Premiership. It seems like abantu abaningi ke they are not happy with this jersey. I don't know. Mina ngokwami it looks like a nice jersey. Yabo it is a nice jersey to be honest. It is something creative. Uma sulibheka nje leli jersey bafethu ilona ke jersey leli ke abazodlala ngalo kwiBetway Premiership kwisizini ezayo. Uma suzume nje you can see the patterns akhona kule jersey leli. Yabo it is something creative. We've never seen amateam amaningi la kwiBetway Premiership are exploring new ways of creating ama home kits or ama jerseys eBetway Premiership. So kuyangijabulisa ukubona ama club amaningi eya all out in designing their new kits. So kuyangijabulisa ukubona lokho because uma usubheke Ama-jezi ebhola esikhathini samanje ayadayisa njengoba nje idayisa abantu abaningi baswenka ngawo. So kubalekile ukuthi ke as a team ukhipha ijezi elihle kakhulu abantu abazolithenga baswenke ngalo ijezi. Yabo akunandaba ukuthi ke ngabe yiblue team kodwa ke ijezi meli lihle amajezi ebhola asestylini njengamanje. Yabo. So you can rate it out of 10 wangitshela wena ngokwakho ukuthi ke ijezi leli luba. Yabo ngokwakho mina ke ngalinikeza nje high 7. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu i-defender le-Kaizer Chiefs okuba nawo uDylan Solomons umjida ke kuthiwa ke usesayine i-contract entsha with i-Kaizer Chiefs. Umjida ke usazoqhubeka adlale abe umdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngingengazi ke kuma fans ayo inina i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ngabe happy yini with ke lento eyenziwe i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ke banikeze uSolomons i-contract entsha. uSolomons ke bafethu I remember saying this last season ukuthi ke uSolomons njengoba nje idlala kahle kungenzeka ayithole i-contract entsha for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Isikhathi esiningi abadlali abaningi ku-Kaizer Chiefs uma ama-contract abo esezophela benze sure ukuthi ke baya excela ukuze ke i-Kaizer Chiefs izobanikeza i-contract entsha. Hayi izinto ezijwayele ukwenzeka ku-Kaizer Chiefs bokunaki each and every player uma sekusele 1 year kwi-contract yakhe uzombona uzoperforma. You can go and check kubadlali abakhona njengamanje abasebesalele 1 year kwi-contract yabo bazoyimisela ngempela. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu umdlali we-Orlando Pirates okuba okunemntanjela ubonakalile ke ejima with i-team namhlanje umjida kuthiwa ke ubelimele menikhumbula kahle ubengekho kwi-preseason but ke he has rejoined i-team umjida. He is currently training but ke akumele mina ngokwami akumele umjida bamrashe kakhulu because ama-injuries asonyaweni nasedolweni kakhulu kuyaye kuba ama-injuries ama-long term lawo. Yabo so uma bemrasha umjida basazophinde ke alahleke usazophinda alahleke. Yabo so angifuni ke baloku bemrasha. Yabo kumele nje ayithathe kancane uzobuya strong. Kuyangijabulisa ukuyibona le ndaba lezi siyabadinga bonke abadlali njengoba nje izoqala nje isizini nemntanjela sheshe ululame ndoda siyimpini. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu uThabo Senong umjida ke he has been appointed as the new head coach of iFC Platinum. Le club lokele eyale eZimbabwe bafethu uyena nje ozoba ucoach omusha umjida. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile iSikhukhune United igame yaso ke iSikhukhune United bafethu njengoba nje izodlala against Durban City ivenue isishintshiwe isiyiswa le eseShego Stadium. Ngikhumbula kahle ke le game le kumele iyodlala le eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium but ke istadium saseNew Peter Mokaba Stadium asikabi right njengamanje. Ipitch yakhona ayikho mnandi basayilungisa kancane ipitch. So le game le ithathiwa yoyiswa le eseShego Stadium. Ama games ikazodlalwa nje kule weekend le. So abantu ke kumele babe ready kakhulu. Ingabe imaphi ama-team azowina i-Betway Premiership le season asazi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu uKabelo Khositsile umjida ke ubonakalile ejima with i-Orlando Pirates. If you remember ke umjida he was signed by Orlando Pirates last season but ke he was loaned back to iBaroka FC but ke umjida ke ubonakalile training with i-Orlando Pirates. Singesazi noma ke usazophinda ahambe aye kwi-loan noma ke i-Orlando Pirates ikhethe ukuthi ke imgcine this time asize i-team. Izindaba eziphumile kabafethu ke uJustice Figueiredo umdlali obedlalela inina odlalela iChippa United kahle kuthiwa ke umjida njengoba nje yade ifunwa i-Young Africans. Kuthiwa ke i-Young Africans isithe ukuhlehla kancane ekumsayineni lomjida lo. Remember nje yade befuna ukumsayina ade beshoda ngestriker esiphambili. Babonile ukuthi ke njengoba sebesayine ubani na uPeter Shalulile njengoba lo wade i-free agent asikho isidingo sokuthi ke basayine another forward. Yabo kuthiwa ke umjida currently uzoqhubeka ajoine i-preseason yeChippa United aqhubeke ajime with iChippa United but ke iYanga isehlehlile ekumsayineni lomjida. So ama-team akhona asengawazi ukuthi ke aye kuyena umjida ke ayomsayina as their new forward but ke iChippa United mina ngokwami kumele ke bamdedele lomjida udlala ngempela. He's one of the best forwards akhona la ku-Betway Premiership. He's just too underrated kakhulu lomjida lo uyadlala ngempela. Yabo let's hope uzothola i-team engcono la ku-Betway Premiership kwazi ba mhlambe ke iKaizer Chiefs izovuka emaqandini izamyula ndi forward but ke angifuni ukuthatha bonke abadlali ngibayise kwiKaizer but ke currently the deal is off.